Our sales consultant will be with you from the initial consult all the way until the closeout party. And yes, we have a closeout party, but that's a very long process. You are committing to spending quite a bit of time with our company, and most especially your sales consultant. So we want to make sure that we get the right fit for you, whether that be the experience level, whether that be a great personality match. For example, Charity is one of our sales reps. If you're nervous about your renovation, you've never done this before, she is very kind, very gentle, very communicative, and can walk you through the process and really provide a level of comfort that other companies probably wouldn't offer you. As I mentioned with Rob, he's our guy that handles the super complicated, super difficult builds. He's been there, he's seen it, he's been head of production. And that just trickles down throughout all of our sales reps. Each one has a really unique gift and personality, and we like to pair that based off of our initial conversation.